Welcome to Physioline, a center of excellence for pain and paralysis treatment. It is also a center for advanced neuro rehabilitation, orthopedic rehabilitation, specialized physiotherapy, and international therapy. Today, myself, Dr. Dhruv Mehta, will be presenting a case of age 32 solar, diagnosed as degenerative changes at L5-S1 junction, which has caused diffuse bulging protrusion of L5-S1 junction. The condition resulted in acute back pain and also difficulty in performing daily activity. The condition was so worse that he was not able to move, perform his activity, and walking was also being restricted. The pain was so severe that it was radiating to his right leg and causing him a lot of problems. So, today, after his complete treatment, Mr. Tharun Sodarajan has completely recovered from his condition and he is functionally able to do his activity of daily living. So we are very happy to take you to all through his experiences which he would like to share with us. Mr. Tharun, can you give your bit of introduction to us?
So I'm a fitness expert. I coach a lot of people. I coach about 500 to 600 people across the world. I had a slip disc, which I never expected would happen, but unfortunately because of a weaker knee, there was some kind of displacement in my strength levels, and that's the reason it happened. And that caused sciatica, which is a nerve root impingement, and it caused incredible pain that I can't even explain. You know, even urinating also put pressure on the nerve, and the entire lower body was hurting a lot. So I couldn't move for 2 days, and then I started this treatment. And I'm really happy with the service that's been provided because it's almost gone. Look, I mean, the treatment has done its job. Now it's my job to do the restoration exercises, which are also being provided to me. And the blood flow in the lower back also has been increased. The vascularity has been increased in the lower back. So I'm able to walk around much easily. Even on the first day as well, I was really happy. I felt like I was already cured because a lot of the pain was gone. And it was really incredible, the kind of treatment.
So tell us about how do you came to know about Physioline?
Well, I googled, I mean, when I was in extreme pain, I just googled for...
So what exactly your condition when you came to Physioline?
Yeah, exactly was the lower disc protrusion. It's called the L4, L5, S1 disc had slipped out on the right hand side and it was poking at the nerve root. So the nerve, the sciatic nerve, which is the largest nerve in the human body. And that is connected to the entire lower body. Because I have a weaker knee here, an injured knee, it affected my lower right part. And it was incredible pain. I just can't explain. That kind of pain. I just hope nobody ever has it in their lives. It was insane amount of pain in my gluteus, my hamstring, all the way to my calves. I could not walk for 2 days. I couldn't do anything for 2 days actually without.
Before coming to Physioline, did you try with any other doctors to recover your condition?
No, I just googled. I saw what it was. I mean, even to come till here, I discovered that using hot water showers really helped. The moment I came in here, firstly the environment was good. So you need a professional environment. You need people that you can look at and trust. And when I spoke with these guys, when I spoke with Dr. Bakshi, the way he explained it, he was pinpoint accurate. He just touched me on the back and on my leg and he was like, "You have a problem in your lower back." He knew exactly what it was. So being a fitness expert, that's what I do as well. When I meet people, the moment I look at them, I know what their problem is. And it was really nice to see someone like that who can take care of me as well, So I trusted him immediately. So I really did not need to go and speak with someone else. there were a lot of people like my friends and family who would obviously be concerned, and they said that, why don't you take some other doctor's advice, etc. But I really did not feel the necessity to. One of my uncles is a orthopedic surgeon as well, and he's a knee expert and etc. So he said that, I spoke with Dr. Bakshi and you should go for it. So I really did not need anyone to convince me. But given that my uncle as well was convinced.
Are you happy with your decision of coming and joining the program?
Yeah, I was happy when I met him, like I said, so from the beginning itself, it seemed like a place that I would like to
be a part of.
Yeah. I would like to get treated here, that's why.
Were you satisfied with the treatment and hospitality by the team Physioline?
Of course.
So how was your overall experience with Physioline?
Really good since the beginning. I mean, it's like you guys took really good care of me. You were extremely professional. You made me really comfortable, and you educated me as well. Everybody needs more education. Nobody is an expert in everything. So I was really happy to learn a lot of things from Dhruv and from Dr. Bakshi, and it was really good experience. I felt like all the time that someone is taking good care of me, and that was a fantastic experience.
Would you like to recommend Physioline to the patient of pain who are contemplating to the options of surgery?
What do you think? Of course I will. I mean, like, being an athlete, the last thing I want is a knife on my body. I don't want any surgery. I want to avoid it. So this is by far the best kind of treatment that I've come across over the years. Someone can just touch you in a couple of pressure points and tell you what your problem is, and then use the best equipment in the world that is non-invasive.
Sure.
It does not invade into your body. You don't need to slice and dice your body up. So, you have technology from Germany, from US, Australia, and these are the best flying equipment, and that I've Googled as well. I've researched a lot. So I found that these are the absolute best that have been sold in various countries, and in all the expos and different medical conventions. These are spoken of, and these are displayed and discussed. So I don't think there's any other better equipment that you require. If you have any physical pain, first thing, don't wait. One of the questions here is what is the advice that I have for people who are in pain? Number one advice is don't wait. Just whatever it is you wish to do, get therapy done first. So put everything else at halt. And I haven't worked out in over 5 weeks, about 40 days, and I have no regrets. Because firstly you treat your injury, and then you would like to proceed with whatever else. I was actually pretty surprised to know that technology that I was speaking of, that you would see on their website as well, Physioline.in, was actually introduced by them. They discovered that these are the best, and it's really expensive equipment, but they have invested in it, and the results today are speaking for themselves. I'm really happy that they have brought it across to India and offering it to the masses at pretty nominal investment. You won't be spending so much, but although it may seem expensive, it's not. It's a really good investment. So don't think too much about it. Just invest and you will find great results. That's a guarantee, because I'm sitting right here in front of you without any pain after a month of treatment. So that's pretty cool.
Do you think coming early to Physioline for the treatment would be a right decision for the patients?
Yes, of course. That's what I'm saying.
It says first come first.
Yeah, absolutely.
Any message for Dr. Sanjay Bakshi at Physioline?
Dr. Sanjay Bakshi and Dr. Dhruv, thanks a lot. You guys have been fantastic. You made me again really comfortable. I felt at home here, and I knew that somebody I trust is somebody trustworthy, an expert, an actual professional is taking really good care of me, and understanding my emotions as well as I go through this. So it was a fantastic experience. Really, thanks a lot.
Any message which would you like to give to the patients suffering from
like I said, Don't wait. Just go for it. Just drop everything. If you're an athlete, it doesn't matter. Whatever you are, just first stop what you're doing, and get treated. Make this a priority.